Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is probably the last pair of shoes that my wife got from Nordstrom. So let's go ahead and unbox this, and then I don't even know what style looks like. So let's go ahead and crack this open. I'm not sure why is the box so big if it's only one shoe. So oops. So I guess this box has two shoes because come with two of the return label. Nope, you only come with one shoes. This is one invoice. Got the item number, got the description, UPC code, and then one. Give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. So this one is the Lucky brand, established 1990. Got the luckybrand.com, and then here's a style, and then the color. This is a golden yellow, vintage oily suede. Let's go and then open this up. So somehow this suede is more rougher than the Vince Camuto. Yeah, the Lucky brand right here, and then a size A medium. And then you got the Lucky brand right here. It's pretty soft, and that little cushion right there. And then all the way down, even on the suede part right here, on the front of the toe box. And you got the elastic band right here. It is made in China. And then look at the other side. Yeah, these shoes are very nice and then well made. All this stitching looks very nicely done. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and then I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.